Flex can integrate with both QuickBooks Desktop and QuickBooks Online. In this video, you will learn how to set up Flex integration with QuickBooks Desktop. First, go to the Financials menu, then click Accounting Integration. If this screen is locked, that means that you are currently not paying for QuickBooks integration in your Flex subscription. Contact sales at flexrentalsolutions.com for more information. You can choose who is authorized to use QuickBooks integration in your Flex system. You can either choose individual users or entire security groups. If you make any changes, don't forget to click Update. Also verify that the enabled accounting systems is checked as QuickBooks Desktop. The next step is to download and install the QuickBooks Web Connector to your computer. This is found on the Intuit website. You can find a link to this page in our Flex user manual, or you could do a web search for QuickBooks Web Connector. Click Download and install the QuickBooks Web Connector to download it to your computer. Run the installation file to install it to your computer. After you have installed the QuickBooks Web Connector to your computer, go back to Flex, then on the Financials menu, click Download QuickBooks Web Connector file. This is the file that will allow integration between Flex and QuickBooks Desktop. Click the Save button to save this file to your computer. You can save it wherever you want. After you have saved the Flex Web Connector file, open the QuickBooks Web Connector that you downloaded and installed from the Intuit website. Click Add an Application, then find the Flex Web Connector file that you downloaded from Flex. The Flex Web Connector file is hard-coded with the Flex user information of whichever user downloaded it from their Flex account. So you will enter the Flex password for that user. You can choose whether or not to save the password. Now, whenever you push an invoice or another element from Flex, you will have to run the Flex Web Connector file for it to successfully push to QuickBooks. You can either have it auto-run and choose how often it will run, or you can disable auto-run and update it manually. Remember, to successfully load the Flex Web Connector file to the QuickBooks Web Connector, you have to have QuickBooks Desktop open on your machine. We will go over the other Flex settings for QuickBooks integration in another video, as well as demonstrations of how to successfully push invoices and other elements from Flex to QuickBooks. If you have any questions, please email support@flexrentalsolutions.com.